Hello? What you doing? Let's go see what she's doing. I'm building gas caps today, so I'm not even working on the bus, but hey, look at that. How's it going? What a mess. Well, we couldn't take this dash apart any further than we did, so what are you doing?
I am painting, dyeing.
Dyeing with leather color
Restorer.
You got that on the internet?
I did. On the internet. Yes, I did.
Well, people are going to ask, so can you explain more?
Well,
about
there's a lot of different products out there, but this one, I don't know, seemed like it had good reviews, but it's a 3-part process. You have a cleaner that you add with water and spray it on, clean it, let it dry for 30 minutes. And then you put the restorer on, let it dry for at least 24 hours, but up to 72. And then you go into it with a soft cloth with this
top coat.
It's a satin finish, and it seals that color on there.
That looks pretty okay, you know
Yeah,
what?
I have to put another coat on there, but yeah.
Because she's already done all this in that leather crocodile pattern. We have to paint that trim there.
That there trim right there.
Here's where we're at. Both headliners on each side are up. We're going to put the white centers in soon. I did the biggest knothead move of the entire build yesterday and ran a screw into the heat duct, which I thought was empty, into that copper tube that runs all of the hot water to the dash. Yeah, I drilled and tapped, put an O-ring on it, and that's good. And then the cutoff wheel, it's just a mess. I'm fixing it. But that's where I'm at back here. Headliners are up. And back here with the lights. That's it. A minor setback. Actually a pretty big setback on running the screw and the cutoff wheel into the copper supply line. But Danelle has a nice fire going in here and she's having a great day. Anything you would like to add?
No.
No, nothing?
How about I paint a mustache on you?
Okay, go ahead.
No.
No. All right. See y'all.
Bye.